Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info.
A very pleasant evening to one and all present here. I gladly welcome to you all to the prize distribution of the Champions Challenge Cup tournament. On behalf of the organizers, I thank all of you for your valuable time. A special thanks to our guests for the day, Ravi Kumar sir, Vamshi sir and Gerard sir. Can we have a round of applause for them? First, I would request Ramu sir to felicitate Ravi sir. Next, I request Louis sir to felicitate Gerard sir. Next, I request Sai sir to felicitate Vamshi sir. I request Ravi sir to speak a few words.
Very good evening to parents, players, all the coaches. I'm feeling so thrilled. After a long time, I'm on the football field and seeing so many kids, so much of enthusiasm, and the parents who are encouraging them. I'm so happy that the parents should keep encouraging like that and take the support of all these coaches who are doing a good job here. My name is Ravi Madan. I represent Indiana Sports, which is on MG Road near Paradise. My shop was established in 1955 and we have been had a long association with all the international players from 1955 to 2005 in all games. All the international players, they were my customers and they used to come to me from this age, from primary school. So I have a very special bonding with the kids. And I was also running a football club in the name of Secunderabad Blues Football Club. Secunderabad Blues Football Club. Now this club has produced more than 2,000 players. And this club belonged to one of the persons who was just an ordinary person working for Road Transport Corporation of Hyderabad, APSRTC. After he left his body, I took over the club for 25 years. Now, unfortunately, because of some internal issues by the association, they have taken over that club from me. And in any case, our association is one of the oldest associations in the country. And in 1950s, 60s, 70s, the half of the Indian team used to be from Hyderabad. So it is, for people like us, it is very sad to see that football we have seen, and today our football is almost zero. But I appreciate all these coaches, and I have decided today that Indiana Sports is going to do some tournaments in the city with the consent of these coaches, because if the association is not doing anything, at least let us come forward and we will take permission from the association to encourage the footballers. And I request the parents to encourage them, and my full support from Indiana Sports will be there for everybody. Congratulations to the organizers. Thank you.
First thing, I had played for Hyderabad Blues at one time, but I don't know who owned it at that time. We used to we used to play, we used to go for tournaments and all. Anyway, congratulations. I was happy to see some of your matches. It was fought well. You all played well. And happy to see the parents encourage everyone. Thank you.
I request Vamshi sir to speak a few words.
Very good evening to the parents and children who have played in football today. And thank you so much, coaches, for making this event in the place of Decathlon. And thank you so much. So basically, I'm a mountaineer. So I'm a professional mountaineer. So it's been 6 to 7 years into the mountaineering field. But now, after coming to Decathlon, it's been 2.5 years here. I'm learning the new things from the kids, really like dribbling. I don't know anything about it's a zero knowledge for me about the football, but still by seeing the kids every day, they get trained here by Kipra Academy in the football ground, the same ground. You can make, I request parents to send your kids, it might be any sport according to their interest, to make them physically fit. And as we Decathlon, we make kids to be fit, and we also support the sports. Thank you so much for this giving opportunity. Thank you.
Coming to the best players from each category, I request Madan sir to please give away the prizes. Under 10, we have Khatif from SCA football team. Next, in under 12 category, we have Riyansh from St. Michael's School Football Academy. Next, coming to the under 14 category, we have Akshaj from Soccer Coaching Academy. Lastly, we have the under 16 category, which has been won by Sushil from PJR FC. Coming to the third place, from the under 10 category, we have St. Michael's School Coaching Academy and we have Sky Kings. I request Team St. Michael's to please come forward in the under 10 category. Sky Kings to please come forward. Thank you, boys. Next, we have the under 10 runner-ups. Team Reckle Ford. Can we have a huge round of applause for them? It is my honor to invite the winning team, Soccer Coaching Academy team. Please come forward. Under 10. Under 10. I request Gerard sir to come forward to give the prizes away for the under 12 category. Coming in third place, we have St. Michael's School Football and Sky Kings Academy. I request Sky Kings team to please come forward and receive the award. Coming to the runner-ups of the under 12, we have Team Reckleford. Under 12 category. Under 12 category runner-ups, Team Reckleford. The first place of the under 12 category goes to Soccer Coaching Academy. Can we have a round of applause for them? I request the team captain and the coach to please come forward and receive the award. Request Madan sir to come forward and give away the prizes for the under 14 category. Coming forward to the third place, we have St. Michael's team and Don Bosco team in third place. Please come forward to receive your awards. Category under 14. The second place and the runner-up for the under 14 category goes to Team NCSA. Please come forward to take your prizes. I request the team coach to please come forward and receive the award. Under 14. Please can we have a round of applause for them? I request the team coach of Soccer Coaching Academy to please come forward and receive the award. To the third place of the under 16 category, we have Team NCSA and Soccer Coaching Academy. I request both the teams to please come forward to receive their awards. Tournament of the under 16 category, we have Team St. Michael's School. Please come forward to receive your awards. category. Congratulations, winners. I request the team coach to please come forward and the captain to receive the I would like to thank the coaches of all the teams for training the players and making sure they play splendidly. Firstly, I would like to thank God for ensuring that this tournament goes smoothly. Lastly, I would like to thank the organizers of the tournament for hosting this wonderful tournament for us. Thank you everyone. God bless you all. We also appreciate Sai sir and Amal sir, without whom the tournament would not have happened. Thank you, sirs.
Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.